Hi, my name is Ken Faget. I am the CEO of Foldaway Solutions and also the global business development consultant for Oyama bicycles. So what we have in front of us here is my latest folding e-bike, which I can proudly say has my fingerprints all over it. Our first version was great and has been a huge success. But what makes this more of a standout was this provides sort of a buttery smooth performance. And the reason why is that we're using the Eloquent design controller. And for those of you that don't understand the importance of a controller, it's the brain of the bike, and it can make all the difference in the way a bike performs. Along with this, I have a 350-watt Oyama hub motor, and the interface and display that's right here. It was developed by Eloquent Design, and it also has full onboard diagnostics. If shops want, we can even put their logo in there. But the minute you start riding, you have a great big display. You can adjust this as 8 levels. If you want to have the option of regen, you can even program this for regen. But everything that you need to do to set this up, if you want to customize, is available right on board. The battery in here is in the frame. It is a 10.4 amp 36 volt battery, easily replaced. And another difference between what makes this stand out is that we have a torque sensor bottom bracket, we have hydraulic disc brakes, and it's also an 8-speed derailleur. This one is $18.99, and I can proudly say that it will compete with any other bike this price point and up to over $3,000. The other one that we have is our first entrant, which is the E8D. Think of this as sort of a little bit more stripped down version. Instead of hydraulic disc brakes, it has mechanical disc brakes. But one of the features that all the shops and consumers love is this 2.3 tire. They feel like they can ride anywhere with it, and in fact you can. Again, it has the same battery, but more of a basic display with 3 levels on off. And one thing that I failed to point out is all the models there's a little hatch over here, and there's a USB, so you can keep your phone charged at all times. And it's also the charging port for the battery, which can also be removed. It's right there. So you just unlock it, pull it out, and if you want extended range, you can always bring a couple of batteries with you. This one is $12.99. Go to our website, oyama.com, and you'll have contact information as well as more detail on our bikes.